I'm a million spent the more 2 years without payment, without clothes, without any yoke. My name is one again 5,000 or 1,000. Always I send him on job. Benjamin, so I did I am Matara Bessin as buy a boy. Oh, you're taking as buy a book, and your man answer.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 15th of December 2025, we the team of Magnetic Gist TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, my fans, I know most of you don't like Ikenga program, but chill down. There is a reason why we posted this video. For you to understand exactly what is happening. It's like some ESN or Biafran Liberation Army guys are confessing of what they did, but there is something that we really need to understand here. If these are the real ones or if they are being orchestrated by Ikenga and his group, just listen to these guys, not just about Ikenga, but the guys on the other side that are confessing or that are saying things that they did inside the ESN camp or Biafra Liberation Army camp. That's the main story here, not just about Ikenga, because I know most of my friends here don't like to listen to Ikenga. Yes, we quite understand that, but just listen to this guy's confession of what they said.
So because I'm at the table, if we're talking about it,
before we had a guy IPO, I will go more than a libo.
Yeah,
I will go more than a libo like it. I will more or they are sure about a mother. If I walk out no, but I'm one and a half shop about a mother. The more I against you. Like for example now. And when I'm one on a denta, I will the milli. Or they are sure about a mother. Oh, my God, I got worried about a mother. That the more they against them. You know that? Many things happen. But I when a woman never struck a house or I work here, their witness. Advice.
You put another officer. If the maintenance of the Kumpo, you experience, then in advice. I don't give advice because all the windows of ACB. One can bombard.
Oh, it's monster.
No one.
Then I check all again. I believe Nayana Menga no more DC. Other more is no gala. But what I am a organize on them.
Oh, well, we see not to toka. Or what the toka.
I'm a million spent the more 2 years without payment, without clothes, without any yoke. My name is one again 5,000 or 1,000. Always I send him on job.
Before you ever go the cabo now in the wood.
No, you could do madam, they could go come along to go to them. And I
okay, opposite and Biafra, there are some of phone are governor.
I go by Zugo.
I'm not going to
So okay, Mbono balu there. Mbono balu kelu mbiji we man answer where they go like kelu hifo we go with the number
Benjamin so I did I am Matara Bessin as buy a boy. Oh, you're taking as buy a book, and your man answer Wadla.
So, can you go away? Can you make me from us?
Oh, rank on a paranki. Oh, you put a GP. Emilioza. Pamioza. As good.
So, a sinazo, toy
Boy, but one night I put one number one there. Nana guess you west I care. More than I should like a mail, should look mail for. As well.
and onye agbali egbe na-azụ abụ the same person ya na-eme ọnụrụbe nwanne agba n'ọsọ.
Ọ ya ka ala ndị a na-ekwu okwu akwuru n'ihi adịa mgbaja emechaa gbajọọ ya. Ọ na-aga na this life dị mana enwe isi.
Kedu ka isi wee narị because ị na-achị ịnarị ndị agha ekwe ka ịnarị eso ka isi wee narị.
Na mgbe ndị na-anya hụ na kọmanda m agha eri apụọla si mba na ihe na-eme nwe isi nke onye nwe onye isi pụrụ elinye nnọje nke ahụ eme o nwere m isi nwede ka chọwa emu.
Okay, ka njikọdo mgbe unu nọ n'ime ọfịa a na-eli nri ụtụtụ nri abalị nri efifie ka ekwuzi eri
n'ihu chukwu n'ihu mmadụ na mgbe anya nọ 2 days eri nri.
So ndị anaghị ezitere ụlọ ego
ama mmenụ n'ọrịa nwụrụ n'ihi agụọ ndị bụ agụọ jekọọ hit nwụọ ama mmadụ n'ọrịa nwụrụ na ihe agụọ ọwụ otu ọwa ebụọ
wait agụ gugidori ọnwụọ n'ime ọfịa
ọwa na agụọ emenye nwụ na iri bụ iri asị na hit abịala iburu egbe jem igba egbe mgbe ha ọnwụ
yes ama ihe omiri ịdị ịda agba okwu afọ ama ihe imiri mekwa ị na-ekwu.
so ọ dịdị izi mpa mma na-agbakwa ndị nọ n'ime ọhịa onye bụ agbado uche onye mmanya dị mma ya mee ya chọọ owe bọs na enyemaka dị adị kama ha tọọ n'otu ndị ohi eme ihe ọzọ na ndị ọhịa tọọ n'otu onye ohi nga ha ọkwa they will still kill gọọmenti will kill am. That's what I believe.
So achọrọ m ka inye advice ndị onwe ndị Imo steeti ka nọ n'ime ọfịa bụ ịjụ ha asị na ọ bụ na ịpụta sọrịnda na gọọmenti ya akpụrụ gbagbuo gị eziokwu ịpụta were aka gị bupụta egbe bịa sị gọọmenti na-egbu ipu na ịchọzi ime again gọọmenti a na-agba mgbe unu pụtara onwe ndị agbagburu unu na onwe ndị na ha pụta agbagbu
agwa m na ma dị ndị ruo kịta mma believe because ejikọ m aka m pụta gọọmenti egbukwana m na gọọmenti nọkwa kịta ruo kịta ọtara so onye ọbụla na-eche na osi nga ahụ gbapụta buru igwe pụta na ya agbawu ya n'aha dị kama na anyị amazi ihe ọ na-eche.
Thank you very much. Humble on another person chikwu okwu ka ọ gwa ya experience ya nye advice.
Onye ọbụla na-ebe achọziri ikwu.
Kedu ife agwara gị ijiba?
Ebe ọgwa bụ na asị na Biafra na-abịakwa nketa nke echi. Onye ọbụla akwakọrọ sị ka o jee ejere iweta ihe ọbụla emechaa na anyị niile abụrụ ndị amị bụrụ ndị ihe Fatima. So anyị baziri di ya ọ bụzi na ọ bụzi ihe a na-ekwu ka a na-eme. So many people yes na anyị ga-abụ amị bụrụ everything na Biafra land. Everything na ndị niile nọ dị ka a ga-etinye afa n'ime n'ihe a na-ekwu mana ọ ga-achọpụtazi na ọ bụrụ ife a na-ekwu bụ ọ ga-ebidozi na-egbuzi nwanne ya onye nkiri ripụrụ nri ga-apụta na nkiri anọ n'ihu ọrụ ọ gbagbuo gị mgbe ahụ onye ọbụla gị na-abụzi ihe kwuru ka
Black hold on godi ya eje ọrụ
ọgbawụkwa gị n'ime ọhịa ebe nkiri ya jọrọ ọrụ ezi gosi na ọ bụzi ihe kwuru ka a na-eme.
Okay, Black gwa m eziokwu onwenugo mgbọsi ụnụ pụta etu a kaụnta ndị Fulani lụtara ife dịka mmadụ 10 n'ime ọfịa
no searching adịbero
ngwa okay now mgbe nwanne bidozi gbawe nwanne ibido mgba nke ibe your family kwan kele ebe ha che mgbe ị nọ ka ebe ha che ị nọ mgbe ị na-eme ha
my family chekwana anọ onye ebere m travel but n'ole na ha mara ebe m nọ mana time na-aga ha wee marazie ebe nwa ha nwoke nọ oge aka m ji zọbazi isi ohu maka ndụ m mgbagotezie gọọmenti then mụnwa ya surrender myself to gọọmenti so ya advasi na ya ụmụnne m nọ n'ọhịa onye ọbụla na ihe ọ na-eme ya ha nke oji ya bịa nọrọ Amnesty then ọ sọpọtụ gọọmenti ka eme ka obodo dị mma ọ uru ya.
Now guys support these people. Onye ọbụla na-ege m ntị send anụ ndị flower ndị follower send anụ ha ego a ga-eji wee mụchalụ bịa biko support them. Na-ekwu ife ị na-ekwu
onye ọbụla nọ n'ọhịa ya hapụ ihe ọbụla gbasara ọhịa ya pụta ka edozi obodo ka obodo dị mma ka anyị mara ihe anyị na-achọ ụlọ ndị Fulani ka anyị na-achọ ya chụba ha ka nwanne ya niile egbu nwanne ya ka anyị niile bụrụ one bịa one Nigeria. So ya bụ okwu m nwere ịgwa ụmụnne m nọ n'ọhịa ha pụtasịa na anyị pụta gọọmenti aga egbu gị egbu enye gị freedom nye gị bikọta ebe ha nọ n'ọhịa na no freedom ị ga-apụta nwiro ị ga-apụta gagharịa fụ ka obodo gị dị ị ga-agadube gị many of them be ha adịghị ọzị so anyị niile niile ịpụta ịgagado ekụba eze awụ ide mmiri ịgadị everything na-adịbogo organize everything na-adịbogo mana ọ bụrụ before ị ga-agawo ekụba eze awụ ide mmiri gafee ị ga-agawo produce awụ ide mmiri everything ma ihe ara everywhere scattered but now thank God for now everything adịgo restored ebunigwe na-agbazi first na everywhere adịgo okay onye ọbụla jide ego na-abata ịbata ime occasion gị ofuma ka isi chọọ. But not before, nothing like that. Big man, but a big man. Before you know it, I vandalize his property and the account. So, you know, because drop on your age. Then embrace the government to restore peace in Nigeria. Thank you.
Ndewo, thank you very much. Humble, come on, also.
Advice can are from different local government. I'm from Ohajebema local government. At the 8th, Baimoya, Pepero, Trowe, Emenike, Pangana Feli, Amdia, K2. But only me when you put on submit my amnesty. So, advising the Yendike from Imoya, as I can acquire 20,000 naira. Look at 20,000 naira. Now, Hajebema, in a boom pudia, Gary no dia, Apple no dia, G no dia, Asaga cook 20,000 naira. Kina Biafra. While years ago, nothing like the Biafra. So, my advice, Kajeta, opera them. Most of people no dia, ne claim on how Biafra, Kaputa. Today, I'm on how much of my salary to government, and then you go my phone, the family. So, Kahaputa, based on join the government here. Yes, the government can on somebody like me, no Biafra. I got in primary school, not secondary school. I was singing in Biafra. So, Nigeria for now. Yeah. For now.
Nigeria or nothing.
If animal like Onyebo put the here to city. Ija secondary school. Ija primary school. I see they are okay. My brother, thank you.
Okay. Gente, my father was died August 24, 1978. I was born June 12, 1978. But I went to primary school to attend the secondary school. Your graduate is here, he will go from Imo State. Mamba say any more of you. Sir, like when from Naya, I don't want to government. My salary is up. Not 20,000 naira. They promised me to pay. Come on, don't lie.
And they can have promise. They can have promise. Go well,
none of them. No money.
And and ikebe eziokwu bụ na agụụ na-etinye boys n'ije kidnap.
Agụụ tinye boys n'ihe niile. Agụụ tinye boys.
Mana mgbe ụnụ nọkwado n'ime ọfịa, ụnụ amakwado na a na-atụtalụ Nnamdi Kanu millions of dollars. Ụnụ enwekwa idea.
Na ntị ka anyị na-anụ ya ma a dị afọ ya n'anya.
Udodi, thank you very much.
And now this man here is saying something that is very, very real, because it is not all about calling for the dissolution of Tiger Base, because most of us are the reason why Tiger Base are there. Why are you kidnapping your brother? Why are you going after your brother? Why are you involving police in anything that has nothing to do with police? Just because you and your brother, they drag land. The next thing, you don't go involve police, involve Tiger Base, say make them buy your brother so that and so many things. This guy is very wise in what he said.
Anobena say shut down Tiger Base, disband Tiger Base. For some of you who don't know, Tiger Base is the anti-kidnapping unit of the Imo State Police Command. Anoba shut down Tiger Base. Man, in advance. Or some police officers in fundamental. Some of them individually. Because I'm going to do many of you. I'm going to do among you. Man, I'm going to do because now government will elect for 7 being uniform. I believe on how when power to kill a man. How could any here happen to get one dark or chaggy man? Give one dark or chaggy get hebu because he believe in what he had men. If one cry one jikin, the gang of Kutia Namri, he got Bukutia Noko. Ali Bochurona, Allah Nigeria Chiron. Gaga Jirajina, many of you get G as a many of you joke on the one new. I'm not laying a curse on you. I'm telling you what is about to happen, what will happen. Alibo will try to teach you and show you the pains many people have passed through in your hands as an individual, as a police officer. Many of you, because you want to stop them. And then go to shut down Tiger Base. Me personally, they should not shut down Tiger Base. Get Lancy. No man who won your get transferred to Lagos. Autoconyoshi Lagos call. On your shame baptism with Okonyoshi. Na change the uniform, whereas now Monyoshi doesn't make me on your Yoshi. Elin him and the SAS. SAS said this band, Rachi, we are then not reallocated or reposted into other units. Only men who go nuzo, Gwego Konishi, may work book allegation. She appear from unit on or and another unit. You have for me, I believe what Tiger business is serious monitoring and oversight. They lack oversight there. I get myself this man don't have much important show or Mugeria. After all, on Nonga Natashimania bedroom na comment to say talk shot down Tiger Base, this one. Almost of you which are the kidnappers similar from Tiger Base. Also, what the kidnappers and then went to kidnapping squad. On the town of whom no honest and the kidnapping. For the kidnappers, I said, I want some hag to come in book. Even got Ashanya some shot down Tiger Base. They should have formed most of you which are kidnappers in Doshi. Tiger Base is flourishing today. Most of you now Patangwa with allegation on the boom none. Iba Alankate, Giga deputation. When I go with non command, when I go with Begwe, all what is simply because none na doala. Case dinner one, you give Buru, Shekri, Gangwa get deputation as you go on Yoshi. What can get deputation? Chegana Kandamba that doesn't give a damn about you people. Ha Patangwa, how is it to get out with her? Uncrankrakabahiashi. You put get some shot down Tiger Base. I love the shot to pack it down. On the beach, shot down Tiger Base. Also, I wouldn't put a round and the back again from Tiger Base. Man, does that mean that Tiger Base needs to reform? It needs reform. Let's just say, how will the prodigal sons of police, you must say police command, because most times, I want to know quick hand. How did you let them go? I want to know what cage. I cannot control the radio the whole unit, including Tiger Base. Has negative, how would they? But when I confronted the police officer when in Yoruba, he helped me. Bagadia, yeah, the guy in Modia, and I said, one. That's when now that guy at Tanyana Job now. Even Motia Parker there, but they denied they didn't see him. And he drove aside. In fact, I was saying a new police cell. Tiger Base him in the ham and arrest. So that the commissioner of police and his monitoring team will be aware of under the 10. A book who make caution to call actually Tiger Base, so that should anything happen, they will be held accountable. You know, there are some short all of you, individually police officers, many of you on the Gatakutia Concrete, many of you will die before Mona Bogana. On the day, because most of you have ended the source of income to some families because of your greed, because of your intention to extort. For the Nimon on a Sunananda. Maybe I'm going to keep it be about no police. On Bagram Parafana, Lafaneku, now you're not a good bob, and you bob, innocent blood, no Ganaka. And then the guy, you are not having peace, you're not having any peace. You could say that now, all a police officer. Back in the days, no son tactical team, now how do I name it? Gisha Hawk in her bag away. But work see her game in a camera, shoot, have fire, even give us some harbor work safe, whatever children are chef. No how under that weekend, not a weekend babu. Today, the man here, you know, Kurash, I want this mother baby Biafra, oh, you devastate. You have no one is going to boom. On where you matter no one police, because I found you couldn't able. And that na, I found one dish, the man no kuna, not only who alani, or that a ya we have met that party take get to us a police officer. Guardian the take again, Lanya, go and look on the check history. Many people. So no dream on my him. Galella. Which no one peanut in with again. By me, we will get the man. Now we are here. You got to put concrete. I'm not laying cost on you. But to some of you, may you give her man. I got run number. For some of you police officers, on a gag home. Ndi ragada who's at one. On a con one the gun you want to bog nine. I phone call no one to get on. Yeah, I can class me to run. I can't come on and ask me for telling you. Can only last me yard a little ton Naka Chapon or Kanaka. You only make no watch me alone. Man, I'm gonna snow me woman around a man police, man, and that I'm going to judge some of them. In here, get man, you can get man, or be a new. Or would the cow wouldn't have forgotten going here, go here, get men. I think we're all talking about Tiger Base. Now, money changing uniform, I would not change it. It needs monitoring, it needs oversight. So that at least a more accountability. I want to go ham no. Fondon on a comment, I worry. Oh, when you're have some crabby. Oh, most of you been kidnapping in Limo State. On the channel, mega government. Don't go watching Dumba, which and dish there. On a put on a relegation boom on. Wouldn't show her no. I let him out in this, even go without ashing a measure. It's your for back corners.
So, Biafrans, it is indeed a very wicked word. There is no crime. There is no gain in crime. There is no gain in crime at all. After acquiring all these things, like this guy now, who was alleged that he is into organ harvesting, after acquiring all these properties, his house, his hotel, everything, now at the end of the day, they have all been demolished. Imagine the shame his wife, his family is going to face, his children is going to face. So there is no gain in crime. I get you wayo. Now I be heading in here. Like a government is will take it over. And after all this demolition, now government is going to seal that place. Government is going to take it for real. But also for how long ago also. That's just the thing. My dear, let an Igbo be calm. This is what we want in an Igbo. Calmness, cool everywhere. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us. Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section, for we all love you. Bye. Merry Christmas in advance.